Changing an array of true and false answers to a hex value Python. I have a list of true and false answers like this. I want to give true a value of 1 and false a value of 0, and then convert that overall value to hexadecimal. How would I go about doing that? Could I look at each value in turn in the list, and if it equals true, change that value to a 1, and if it's false, change the value to a 0, or would there be an easier way to change the entire list straight to hex? Edit. Here's the full code on Pastebin, this URL. Thanks.
Output.
If you want to combine a series of Boolean values into one value, as a bit field, you could do something like this.
No need for a two-steps process if you use reduce, assuming MSB is at left as usual. Displaying.
All above methods do not work if list of bits exceeds 64. It could also be discussed whether it is efficient to transtype Boolean several times, especially string, before conversion to hexa. Here is a proposal, with MSB on th left of bit list. The 4-bit tuple pack 4 is, MSB, LSB, equals, it has to be reversed while calculating corresponding integer. Alternative.